In this video, I will show you how to capture this sheet. I have already entered my employees' details as you can see on the screen. For example, gender, male or female, marital status, married or single, your dependents, 3 or 2. Appointment date, meaning the date he or she were employed at the company. UIF starting date is when the company made their first payment. UIF ending and termination date, this date can only be filled in when the employee resigned. Enter employee's surname, name, BIBC code. This code will appear on the wage schedule. The BIBC fund number, this number the employee will receive when he is with BIBC. Employee's address, ID number and mobile number. Normal hours worked. This refers to the hours worked stated on your contract. For example, 40, 80 or 160 hours. Your rate per hour, your tax number, hours worked. This means the actual hours worked of employees. If the employer worked overtime or double time, the employer can fill his or her hours worked in the next section. Employers can also fill in the department site, the site they are currently working by. The pay date. This means when the employees get their pay. Please note, once this form is completed and sent through, you may use the same form and only enter your hours worked, as the other information is already on the system. Completed the Excel sheet, these are the compliance reports. SEP Synopsis Report. SEP Synopsis Report will give you an indication of your weekly, fortnightly and monthly gross and net salary to be paid to each of your employees. This report also indicates your employees' hours worked, UIF, pay as you earn, BIBC days worked, BIBC employees and BIBC employers deductions. On this report, you will receive your labor costs, 2% employer UIF, BIBC amount to be paid to the BIBC, the payee amount and EMP 201 amount. Employer's company details will appear on this report. Employer must make the payment to the governmental institution on their mobile app or at any bank. The SEP's BIBC requisition and benefits form. This is how your BIBC requisition and benefit forms look like. These forms will be emailed to the BIBC and required payments must be made to the Bargaining Council. On this form, your employees' details will appear, and BIBC employees' contributions according to their codes. The contribution requisition is a summary of the above detailed benefit returns. In addition, it makes provision for the payment of levies to the Master Builders Association if applicable. The total value reflected on the contribution requisition should agree with the total of your payment. SEP's EMP 201 report. This form is an employer payment declaration that required employers to indicate the total payment made and give a breakdown of the pay-as-you-earn, STL and UIF payment allocations. This means the employer will only make one payment, not 3. SEPs will email this report every month to SARS. The employer will also receive a monthly SARS EMP statement. SEPs UI19 report. Once we have entered all your employees' details, our system will automatically fill in all your employees' details into the UI19 declarations form. This form will include surname, initials, ID number, total gross remunerations paid to the employee per month, total hours worked during the month, commencement dates of employment. On our payslips, there will be an indication of your employees' accumulated UIF deductions. Employees' 1% will reflect on payslips of employees. An employer must be, by the 7th day of each month, inform the Commission of any changes arising during the previous month regarding the employee's contact details or employees' remuneration details. This form will be emailed to the Labor Department to be fed into the employee's UIF payment history. SEP's payslips. This is how our customized SEP's payslips look like. SEPS will provide all employers with a payslip for each one of the employees, whereby all the information will be provided as such. Surname, initials, ID number, BIBC fund number, BIBC code, hours worked, BIBC days worked, pay date, hourly rate, deductions, net salary, gross salary, overtime, etc. Please check out our next video and thank you for watching.